Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn again some important vocabularies. So let's get started. First word is batsman means cricketer, right? Batsman means cricketer. Grand Prix, one of the series important international races for racing cars or motorcycle. Okay, so important word where use races for the racing cars or motorcycles. Grand Slam, very important sport events or context. Cacophony, mixture of the loud and unpleasant sound. Okay, unpleasant sound, cacophonious. Callow, immature, not mature person, immature. Brevity, briefness or conciseness, briefness or conciseness. Okay, brevity means briefness or conciseness. Blasphemy, speak about God. Okay, speak about God, holy thing or particular religion in an offensive way. Blasphemy, act speaking God, about God or religious particular religion in an offensive way. Blasphemer, person who speak about God. Okay, benevolent, generous or kind. Sympathy mean honest mean, right? Banal mean ordinary. Ordinary, audacity, boldness. Braver, audacity, boldness. Avarice, greed. Ecran, mysterious. Okay, ecran means mysterious. Archive, ancient. Okay, archive means ancient, just we could say ancient time, right? Archive. Abstruse, hard to understand. Okay, anything we will not understand proper, that is abstruse. Eclot, an award, right? He- Hematophobia means fear of blood. Allurophobia means fear of cat. Uh, Eclophobia, fear of crowds. Nectophobia, fear of darkness. Thanatophobia, fear of death. Pathophobia, fear of disease. Phobia related important words. Cycno, cycnophobia, fear of dogs. Okay, cycnophobia, fear of dogs, and a pyrophobia, fear of fire. Genophobia, fear of foreigners or stranger. Plasmophobia, fear of ghost, right? Ghost. Strout, walk proudly, head and chest out so you think you are the important. Strout, walk proudly, walk proudly. Strout, melee, situation which is a crowd, people are rushing, pushing each other. Crowd. Adversary, opponent. Winger means attacking players of the football or hockey. Triumph, victory, to be successful. Triumph means victory or successful. Successful mean triumph. Triumph. Triumphant means very successful in a way, cause great satisfaction. Delirious, extremely excited. Delirious means extremely excited. Delirium, extreme excitement. Holcone, peaceful or happy. Holcoin, peaceful or happy. Almater, the school, college or university. School, college or university that went to. Okay, school, college, you are going to school, college or university. Alma mater. Lam lam Lament means song, poem or other expression. Great sadness for who had discussed, right? Shallow tape, right arrow. Okay, edifice means large impressive building. Edify means large impressive building, that is edifice. Elegant means stylish or attractive. Elegant means very stylish or attractive. Exploit, brave, exciting or interesting act. Exploit. Imperative, very important. Vital, imperative means very important or very vital, very crucial. Congenital, cogni con- congenital disease or medical condition existing since before birth. Lurk, wait somewhere or secretly. Lurk means wait somewhere or secretly. Cage means hidden store things such as weapons, right? Clamber means climb with the Difficulty using the hands and feet. Okay, fickle means changing often suddenly. Suddenly change. Fickle means suddenly change. Gaunt means very thin. Hoary, gray, white because a person is a old. Misgiving, feeling doubt or anxiety. Misgiving means feeling doubt or anxiety. Misgiving means feeling doubt or anxiety. Casual means persuade someone do doesn't want to do. Okay, persuade, we are persuade someone, but he or she doesn't want to persuade with us. Casual casual. Contour means frankness. Castigate, criticize severely. Okay, somebody's we are criticized. Okay, severely castigated. Charlatan, fraud person. Claim to have knowledge skills they do not to have knowledge proper. Chronicle, record events in order of time. Chronic means constant, lasting a long time, right? Clemency means mercy. Collision means conspiracy. Bathophobia, fear of depth. And a laterophobia, fear of doctors. And a ectophobia, fear of fish. Batrachophobia, fear of frogs. Hippophobia, fear of horse. Pharmacophobia, fear of medicines. Musophobia, fear of mice. And a kinsophobia, fear of motion. Phenophobia, fear of poverty. And a ophidiophobia, fear of snakes. And a homoclophobia, fear of fog. Thermophobia means fear of heat. Stegophobia, fear of hail. Astrophobia, fear of lighting. Thalassophobia, fear of ocean. Taxophobia, fear of poison, right? And phenophobia, fear of punishment. And ombrophobia, fear of rain. Harpo Herpexophobia, fear of robbers. And charisma charisma charisma, magical ability to attract followers. Magical attraction, right? Confectioners, person, business that makes sales cakes and sweets, candy. Confection. Inquiry, advisor, person who give advice. Okay, advisor means who, a person who giving advice to you. Ordeal, difficult or unpleasant experience. Very difficult or unpleasant experience. Ordeal, that is ordeal. Diatribe means the long angry speech. Very long angry speech, that is diatribe. Vested interest, a person reason for wanting to happen because you get advantages from it. Okay, vested interest. And you get advantage. Okay, right, you get advantage. Vested interest. Chauvinist chauvinist, person who has aggressive, unreasonable belief that their own country is a better than all others. Okay, chauvinist. And a Billy grade, experiencing a lot of criticism or difficulties. Okay, Billy grade means lot of criticism. You will get lot of criticism, surrounded by enemy. And surrounded by enemy. Sabotage, acting, doing deliberate damage equipment or transport or machine, that is sabotage. Capitol, building in a USA where politicians meet to work a new laws. Okay, politicians generally work as a Capitol. Clarion call, clear message or request for people to do. A clear message, giving depth, skillful or quick. Protege, young person who helped their career and personal development by more experienced person. Veer, to change direction suddenly. Okay, veer, to change direction suddenly. Crouch, person who complains a lot. A complaint about unimportant things, right? Sluice, a sliding gate or other device for controlling the flow of water out of into canal. controlling water. Condone condone means accept behavior is a morally or wrong, that is revenge, the break promises or agreement. Okay, that to break promises or agreement, renege. Facial fluent, facetious, humorous. Fecund means fertile. Okay, facetious, foolish, and a fatalist means believer of fate. Fatalist means believer or fate. Felicity, happiness. Felicity means happiness. Okay, fidelity, faithfulness or loyalty. Faithfulness or loyalty. Forsake means abandon. Forsake means abandon. Fragile means economical. Fragile means economical. Furtive means secretive or stealthy. Sordid means immoral or dishonest. Sordid means immoral or dishonest mean. Okay, excruciating, extremely painful or bad. Excruciating, extremely painful or bad. Dastardly, evil or cruel. Dastardly means evil or very cruel. Revamp, to make change the form, usually to improve its appearance. Turmoil, confusion, very. Claustrophobia, fear of small confined place. Fear of small confined place. Agoraphobia, fear of the public place. Logophobia, fear of study. Logophobia means fear of study. Phenophobia means fear of speaking aloud. Phonophobia, fear of speaking aloud. Lalophobia, fear of speaking. Gamophobia, fear of marriage. Neophobia means fear of change of newness. Phantophobia, fear of everything. Okay, Mysophobia, fear of filth, dirt. Aglophobia, fear of pain. Garrulous. Garrulous means talkative. Garrulous means very talkative person, and a genre, a type, the category of the literate art, film or music. Genital, quiet or very polite. Gult, over abundance or surfeit, fit. Gregarious. Gregarious means linking to be with other people. Okay, gregarious means linking with other people. Helpless, unlucky, very harbinger, the sign that show the going to happen soon, often the bad. Heyday means golden age. Okay, heyday means golden age. Hypothetical, based on situation or idea. Hypothetical means based on situation or idea. Impeccable means perfect, without mistake or fault. Without mistake or fault. Impeccable, perfect. Outset, beginning. Besto means give something. Okay, figurative means person who has escaped and trying to avoid being cut. Okay, fleeting, provide food and drink for the social event. Okay, get means a way of walking. Get means way of walking. Hamlet, a very small village. Okay, Hamlet, very small village. Okay, repast, meal, rebuke. Reprove means rebuke. Outlay, the moment that to you have to spend in order to start a new project. Okay, garb means clothes, and a glade means dress. Reiterate means to repeat which you already said. To emphasize it. Reiterate means to emphasize to it. Ill will, bad, unkind feeling or toward. Okay, bad, very bad, unkind or unfeeling. Okay, feeling towards, very bad. Deadpan, without any expression or emotion, pretending to the serious when you are looking. And in climate, wealthy, not pleasant or cold. Weight on a disarray, state of confusion and lack of organization in situation or place. Okay, disarray, state of confusion and lack of organization in situation or place. Rakish, the enjoying immoral activity, not caring for the moral activities. Not caring for the moral activities. Desolate, Desolate, showing you are feeling confident and pleased with yourself. Taunty or cheerful. Gega, not usually exciting, excited in crazy way. Gega means excited or very crazy way. Gala, special public celebration or entertainment. Sports competitions in a swimming. Okay, fidgety, 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 restless. Okay, carnage, carnage, violent killing or large number of people and a beset, affect, very affect. In an unpleasant or harmful way. In unpleasant and harmful way, very way. A bit help to encourage to do something you are doing wrong. You are doing wrong. Then anyone to help you and encourage to you. That is a bit. Anon means very soon. Anon means soon. Anarchy, absence of government in a country. Okay, agnostic, person who believes that is not possible to know whether God exists or not. Okay, anyone, any person is not know to know to that God exists or not. Arbitrator, arbitrator, person who is chosen to settle disagreement. Arbitrator. Amazon, a women group of female warriors. Amazon, a tall woman. Adenum, a section of extra information that is add to book. Apiary, the place where bees are kept. Okay, antidote, substance control of effects of a poison or disease. Any glacia, lose the lose of ability feel pain while still concise, and a very a large case to keep birds in a zoo. Subtle, behaving in a clear way. Subtle means behavior in a clear way. Ear, to make a mistake. Ear means to make a mistake. Retort, quick, angry or humorous reply. Taper, taper means become gradually narrow, to make become gradual narrow. Taper, long pieces of wood or paper. Long pieces of defile, defile, what is the meaning of defile? To make dirty or no longer or pure. Okay, frenzy means state of great emotion, a state of great emotion, frenzy. Dialect, dialect means form of language is spoken in one area with the grammatical pronunciation that may be the different from other from of the same language. Okay, simply you could say from different from other from of the same language. Okay, dialected. Cardinal advice of Pope, most important, having other thing based on it. Okay, partisan means one sided. Okay, partisan means one person who strongly supports a particular leader, group or idea. Besiege means implore or beg. Brood, what is the meaning of brood? Think a lot about, है ना? Think a lot about makes you annoyed, obnoxious, upset. And a brood means you are very upset or you are very obnoxious. That is brood. Dubious means doubtful, suspicious. Dubious means doubtful or suspicious. You are very doubtful or suspicious. Hallowed means sacred. Remained, remains. Invincible, unconquerable. Relinquish, give up. Tidings means news. Bleak means situation not encouraging or giving any reason to have to hope. Cold or unpleasant of the weather, cold and unpleasant weather. Empathy or no pleasant of features. Okay. Pestilence, pestilence means any infectious disease spreads quickly and people in an stupid silly with no meaning, with no meaning. Okay, in an incandescent giving out light when heated very bright. Okay, heated very bright. Okay, incantation enchant. Okay, incense to make very angry. Incorrigible means incurable. Indig Indigent means very poor. Indignant, showing anger and surprise, become because you think that you have been uh, treated unfairly. Indolent, lazy, very lazy. Infer means to conclude. Infinitesimal, very small. Infinitesimal means very small. Innate means inborn. Innocuous means harmless. Insipid insipid dull, very dull, right? Insolent, extremely rude, showing a lack of respect. Okay, lack of respect. And so insolent means extremely rude and lack of respect, showing a very lack of respect. Invective. Invective means insulting, abuse, speech, and epithet means having small mouths, holes in surface. Okay, fit mean action, pieces of work that needs skill, strength, or courage. Rectify means correct. Okay, rectify means correct or right. That is rectify. Moribund, the very bad condition, dying, and I stifle. Suppress or suffocate. Stifle. Blight means full damage, very damage. Okay, a plant disease and by causing a lot of problems. Okay, causing a lot of problems and a blight. Emancipation means freedom, formal, legal, political, or social restriction. That is emancipation. Affliction means pain, suffering of that cause, and means to cut food meat into very small pieces. Cut into very small pieces. Lambo means a situation which you are not certain what to do next, cannot take action. What to do next and what you can take to action. Lapel means jacket, coat, or upper folded big part. And a dim means consider. Petulance means bad tempered and unreasonable. Shoddy, dishonest, or unfair. Splurge, act spending lot of money. Okay, splurge. Kernel, the inner part of nut or seed. Okay, fire means tree or cold country. Owl means a small pointed tool used for making holes. Leather. Attire means clothes. Forthwith, immediately, at a once. Forthwith means immediately or next one. Prodigal, extravagant, kharchila, right? Shrewd, small pieces has been torn or cut from something. Lure, entice, attractive qualities. Mule, spend time thinking carefully about a plan or proposal. You are thinking about plan. What is your plan? And proposal. What is your proposal? Pivotal, great importance and other dependent on it. Gleeful, happy because good you have done, bad that has been happened to else. Regime, method system or government. Spruce, evergreen tree with leaf and needles, right? Obverse, opposite. Okay, side of coin, medal that has the head main design on it. Wake means act of hitting, share an amount of an to put without care. Act of hitting, simply wake means act of hitting. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो क्लास को हम यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जल्दी ही मिलते हैं।